Yo.
The rain is falling around. My thoughts are pulling me down. Maybe I'm drowning in my mind. I keep fighting them back. They're chasing me days and night. And they'll always hit me hard.
Nervous fucking wreck every single day. But I smile through the pain and the rain. Hey. If you all knew the nights that I thought I couldn't survive, maybe walk in my shoes, switch lives. Nah, you couldn't ride, you couldn't survive, you couldn't see what I seen in my eyes. It's do or die on a mission, and that's no quitting until I tap out or God calls me up to heaven. Yo, Davey, we still here, huh? Yo, Chris, we still here, huh? Pop a few beers, freestyle all night, yeah. But sober for 3 years. Let's keep it that way, huh? Fuck them other people. Drop some tears.
I'm falling apart. You don't care. I'm falling apart. You're not there. I'm falling apart. You don't care. I'm falling apart.
Yeah. When the sky darkens, I see no light, but it's like night vision. I go from here to there, so fast you're damn right. It's like 0 to 100 quick. I'm amped up, no bang, but I cock that thing quick. Not on my hip, pull back my fist, break your jaw. Yeah, that's all. I'm living in a glass house. What MGK say? Yeah, you're damn right. Hey. What we doing now? Fading fast now. I'm getting back to my feet slowly and about to kick some ass, homie. Yeah, they know me. 7.
The rain is falling around. My thoughts are pulling me down. Maybe I'm drowning in my mind. I keep fighting them back. They're chasing me days and night. And they'll always hit me hard. I'm falling apart. You don't care. I'm falling apart. You're not there. I'm falling apart. You don't care. I'm falling apart.
Yeah, yeah, alright.
The rain is falling around. My thoughts are pulling me down. Maybe I'm drowning in my mind. I keep fighting them back. They're chasing me days and night. And they'll always hit me hard.
So let's crack open a Philly outside that bell that they call Liberty. Yeah, cause freedom's broken. Let's get the love back. You know, it's been spoken over years, and I still drop tears. Yo, Pac, I still see no changes. Shit breaks my heart. Fuck them government gangsters from the start. 16-year-old locked up in placement residential homes, taken away from home, you know. Tears first night and all that shit. Survive that, come back home. Few friends drop dead. Damn, that's some shit. And then have to relive everything in my mind. I wanna go back to placement, cause in society I can't survive. Yeah, it's do or die.
I'm falling apart. You don't care. I'm falling apart. You're not there. I'm falling apart. You don't care. I'm falling
I wanna make records, but I'm fucking it up. Yo, ex-homie, come back and liven up the world somewhat. What these bitches want, they like they all in the pockets and such. I don't feel no love, just heartbreak. Ain't that a motherfucker? Yeah, I know what I'm saying, I ain't no sucker, so don't get involved with whatever. But I'm the one of them that need love the most. But I'm not gonna give you my whole soul, give up my whole ghost for a situation that might turn ugly, might turn. Freestyle, baby. Alright.
The rain is falling around. My thoughts are pulling me down. Maybe I'm drowning in my mind. I keep fighting them back. They're chasing me, days